repair my Daikin. This is the Daikin remote control black screen. I have to remove this piece. The black screen because this reflector had the glue onto this screen to reflect the light. The glue change states by UV, usually UV or heat or by aging. So I had to remove this one and replace by the aluminum foil. Will do. No need to buy another reflector and glue it on. Just replace by the aluminum foil like I done with my rice cooker. See, I just use a penknife to slice off the corner and start peeling it off. So the glue change states and start to So after removing, it's sticky. You see, sticky. This glue had to be removed, so I'm using this one, sticker remover. Let's spray it on and wipe it off. So now remove the sticker already, clean it up. Maybe there's a small scratch over here, but it's okay. That's how I do it I did it with my fingernails. So now I'm going to use this aluminum foil to size it up, then paste it there. Not paste, actually is to stick it on the side, on the edge, on this edge of the glass, not on the flat surface. So there's two sides of aluminum, bright side and the dull side. This is the dull side. We don't use the dull side. We use the bright side to reflect the screen. The screen goes this way. So got to stick it this side, and the bright side will have to reflect the light from the environment. So let's do it. Now guys, I've placed it in, and you can see there's a bit of the tissue paper right inside there. Because this areas got 3 screws holding it down, because the screen contact ribbons have to be compressed to the circuit board to make the link. So this automatically will also compress the aluminum foil to it. Then I have placed in batteries, and now you see it's gone. It's gone. Let's go to the mode. See, of course at certain angles it's not so clear. See, it's gone like that. But this is not a major issue if this thing where there is no glue to be deteriorated. So this fix is, can say, it's permanent. See, it's quite clear. At certain angles, very clear. This one directly reflects. It's not so, but it's still viewable. So I just have to install the back cover, and that's it. Thanks.